Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to edit your username on Discord using a PC, especially with the latest updates. Let's get started. First up, open the Discord app on your computer. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials and sign into your account. Next, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon takes you to user settings, where you can adjust various preferences related to your account. Once you're in user settings, find the My Account section. In the middle of the screen, you'll spot an edit button right next to your current username. Click on that edit button to proceed. Now, it's time to make your change. Type in your new desired username. Keep in mind that your username must be unique, so if it's already taken, you'll need to come up with a different one. Once you're happy with your new username, go ahead and move on to the next step. After you've made your change, Discord will prompt you to enter your password to confirm the update. Type in your password carefully, ensuring that everything is correct. This step is crucial for security reasons, so don't skip it. Finally, click on the Done button to save your new username. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Discord username on PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.